गाइस, लास्ट सेशन में हमने देखा था गो एरेज, गो स्लाइसेस। ओके, गो स्लाइसेस में हमने लेंथ, कैपेसिटी एंड अप एंड फंक्शन देखा था। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन गो फंक्शंस. फंक्शंस आर लाइक सिमिलर टू योर सी लैंग्वेज पाइथन में जो भी फंक्शंस होते हैं, बट उसका स्पेसिफिक यूज है दैट if you want to keep the code in specific block and we want to execute that code, so हम उस ब्लॉक को कोई नाम दे सकते हैं. We call it as a function name, and if you want we can pass different types of values to that function जिसको हम argument बोलते हैं. So that is the benefit of functions. Okay, हम जब चाहे तब उसको कॉल कर सकते हैं. We'll try to understand it with example. So let's try to create a file.
सो पीकेजीएम करते तो वो पूरा कुछ तो आ जाता है ना.
PKGM. Okay,
हाँ.
just let me try. Yes, PKGM आ गया पूरा. Thank you. fmt.println के लिए भी कुछ है क्या ऐसे शॉर्टकट?
नहीं, उसका नहीं पता.
ट्राई करते हैं. Okay, not this one. हाँ, FP.
एफपी.
fmt.println functions. Control J.
एक्सेस डिनाइड फॉर यूजर आ रहा है अभी. इसका मतलब एक्सेस डिनाइड फॉर डेटाबेस यूजर. हाँ, तो इसका मतलब फिर से
This call is being recorded. This meeting is being recorded, guys. Do not discuss anything official. You can do fuss separately. You can mute and you can do fuss. So हम लोग generally functions use तो कर रहे हैं, but now what we are going to do, we are going to call this statement by using our custom function. So func greet, okay, here, hello world, and to call this we'll say greet, save, call that function. If you want to call again, we can call that function again. Okay, now suppose I want to pass any message here. So let's say so we need to accept this here. Okay, name, and it should be of type string, and if I want to use that string, I can simply say name. Save this. Let's try to run this again, and you can see it is accepting those values. Okay, now the next important thing is to return some values from that function. Let's say I want to return some value from let's try to get the square. Get square and of number. It should be of type int, and return, let's say num into num. So in this case, we need to return some value. Okay, and we need to pass, we need to provide that return type here. Okay, what type of value it is going to return? It is going to return integer type of value. So I'll say get square, and let's pass 5. Okay, now it is going to return, so that is why we need to print that value, because somewhere we need to capture that. Okay, so right now just capturing in println function. Okay, now one more important thing, what we can do with these functions, we can return multiple values as well. We can return multiple values as well. Okay, so get square and cube. If I put get square and cube, so I can return multiple values as well. So return num into num into num. Okay, let's try to return cube as well. Let's try to receive those two values in some variable. So sqr comma cub colon equals get square and cube. Okay, so 5 we are going to pass, and we'll print that here get sqr comma cube. That should be printed. So you can see 25 and 125. So it is similar, like you can return a list as well. Okay, similarly you can read multiple values here. Okay, so that's how you can use functions. Okay, same program guys, try करके देखिए, and then I'll give you a short class work, and we will wrap up then after that. Try कीजिए same program guys, please. Last work for you guys. Okay, you need to design a function which returns addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two numbers. Okay, multiple values it is going to return. Try this. Okay guys, जिन लोगों का हो गया वो वेरीफाई कीजिए. Those who are not done, please try the same. यहाँ पर ये एक ही टाइप का डेटा है, इसलिए what we have done x, y and int instead of x space int, y space int. But for like simplicity, you can keep this as well. This will also be. Runal Yogini, can you please give me confirmation whether you have understood the functions, Go functions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So this problem is done, this classwork.
Yes, sir.
So that's it for now, guys. we are going to see more about the functions by using these pointers and call by references. Okay, that we'll see later. But for now, you can practice this on programs, and you can do 3-4 assignments from the blog. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. The assignment link. You can try these examples. Okay, 2-3 programs is also sufficient. And also try for homework. You can try this recursive function. Okay, to find the factorial of a number, you can use this. You can try this example for homework. Okay. See you then tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye.